In this video, we're going to be talking about a very common issue that people run into when installing new handle sets on their doors. You can see here that the thumb turn is very hard to engage or disengage. This is caused by the tailpiece of the thumb turn here and the tailpiece of the keyed exterior lock meeting in the center of the door and pushing against each other, thus restricting its movement. This can end up in a thumb turn that is very hard to engage or disengage, or completely impossible. The first step is to unscrew the handle set slightly from the door. Next, again, you engage and disengage the thumb turn, and if it is easier to engage or disengage, that means that the tail pieces pushing against each other was indeed the problem. So all you have to do is completely uninstall the handle set from your door. In order to make sure that you can get a handle set that both meets in the middle and turns reliably and comfortably, is to slowly start filing away the tailpiece on the keyed cylinder portion of the handle set, never the non-keyed portion. Slowly start filing away at this with a metal file a couple of fractions of an inch at a time. You don't want to go down too far too fast, or you risk possibly making it so short that these do not meet in the middle at the key cylinder, thus rendering your handle set not able to work. So you just slowly file this down until you get to a point where these meet up gently, and when you turn the thumb turn, it is easy and comfortable. If you need any help installing your Pella handle set into a sliding glass patio door, you can check out our attached video in the bottom, in the description below, or you can contact us at allaboutdoors.com.